Years ago, I owned a restaurant called A Touch of Broadway. And on weekends, we'd be open for breakfast. We were packed. And the one thing that we became known for was our overstuffed, oversized omelets. So let me share with you what made them so good. We start by sauteing whatever veggies or meat we want to fill our omelet with. Today, Kelly asked for a Western omelet, so I'm cooking up some chopped peppers, onions, and diced ham that we season with a bit of garlic powder and a bit of salt. Once it's tender, we take it out of the pan, and in the same skillet, we add in 4 eggs that we beat with a couple of tablespoons of warm water. That's the secret to a fluffy omelet. And when it starts to firm up, we gently swirl the raw egg under the cooked part until it's set. At this point, we top it with some cheddar cheese and our cooked filling. Once the cheese melts, we slide it onto a platter, folding it in half as it comes out of the pan. There you have it, a big, fluffy, cheesy omelet like the ones my customers waited in line for. To get my step-by-step instructions on how to make the world's best Western omelet, just go to our website. It's the little tips that still make this so requested. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an eye-opening way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Hey, 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 share.